Let's bite a portable speaker, have a plate full of phone, and snack on an iPad. Only the best edible giant and miniature gadgets are on our menu today. It's Cindy's birthday. She's been receiving congratulations nonstop since the morning. And here comes her first gift. A package is delivered for her. A celebration will start now. More confetti. But it turns out that there's a teeny iPad inside the big box. Apply silver edible pearl dust to a chocolate candy of a suitable rectangular shape. Scrape the signature apple silhouette in the center using a toothpick. Print an iPad screen on sugar paper. Use food coloring ink and attach the picture onto the candy with edible glue. Cindy finds a tiny Apple device under a whole lot of tinsel. This iPad mini is way too mini, but my friend hurries to cheer me up. This is not just a mini device, this is a chocolate iPad ready for you to eat. Eat it quickly to celebrate your birthday. This whole tablet is edible, even the sugar screen. Yummy! The blue-eyed girl was in such a hurry to congratulate her friend that she put on the wrong color of fitness tracker. Black doesn't match my light look. Cindy wants to help. She just happens to have a white bracelet. Maybe it will do. But the blue-eyed girl doesn't like this white bracelet. Then Cindy will try something different. What about a yellow bracelet? 1, 2, 3? Oops! It seems that something went wrong. Cut a piece off a jelly candy. Cut it and take out the white filling. Straighten the strip. Mark the edges and shape a fastener like the one on a fitness tracker. Make holes on the strap with a toothpick. Draw a screen and button with a black food marker. The tracker changed both its color and its size. This tiny bracelet doesn't even fit my pinky. I'm afraid I will never be fit enough to put it on. Then, Cindy tries out a spell that can make anything big. Grow up my fitness tracker. Oops! It seems that I was trying too hard. Melt chewy candies in a microwave. Knead them and make a roll. Make the middle a bit thicker. Roll out the ends to make a flat strap. Make it wider at the end. Cut a hole inside. This is the fastener. Make round holes with a knife. Roll out fondant to make a thin layer. And cover the entire maxi tracker with it. Paint a screen and a button with food coloring. This is great! You can put this fitness tracker not only onto your wrist, but also onto your waist. You can share and enjoy it with your friend. And we'll count the calories later. Cindy has already seen all the congratulations on her social media, and her festive mood is still nowhere to be found. But her friend will make it better. The blue-eyed girl won't let anybody be left without a birthday surprise. Close your eyes. Your birthday iPhone is ready. Sprinkle a board with powdered sugar. Roll out a big piece of fondant. Mix condensed milk with cocoa powder and spread it. And put wafer cakes on top. Cover them with the mixture of condensed milk and cocoa, and put a wafer on again. Make a few more layers. Cover everything with fondant. Dampen it with water. Print an iPhone on sugar paper and attach it. Use food coloring ink to print it. Cut off the extra wafer. Dampen the bottom layers of fondant with water and cover the sides of the wafer cake. Cut off the extra fondant. The birthday girl opens her eyes. Wow, it's a real iPhone cake! It's the newest version with an upgraded filling, and we will definitely need candles for the cake. The blue-eyed girl took care of everything. It's time for Cindy to make a wish and blow out the candles. Yay! Your wish will certainly come true. And now we should deal with the wafer cake. What app should I cut off for you? They are successfully downloaded onto a plate. Bon appetit! Cindy is